Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. So today I'm going to be flipping through some sticker books for you guys. I have received this order and I wanted to show you in case you haven't seen this. So first of all, Live Love Posh sends this beautiful card with it. I have one from her previous stuff and I usually just stick it right in here. I need to mail this, but yeah, right in here. Just stick it in and it looks beautiful. So that's what it is. Anyway, so I have the Chic Christmas, which is 44 pages. And then I have the Hello Winter, which is 60 pages. And then I have the Mojo scalloped boxes. So I'm gonna actually start with the boxes because that's gonna be probably the one that I use the most, to be honest. Oh my gosh, the book is already falling apart. So, is this supposed to be here? Maybe in the back? I don't know. Okay, anyway. So, I'm going to start with these little ones. So, they look like this. Anyway, so yeah, so you get 3 pages of these, which are the ones that I use for all of my work hours. Then these are the size up, and you get, I believe, 3 pages, maybe 4 pages of these. And then these are slightly smaller than half boxes. So this is like 1/5, 1/4, 1/3. So you get quite a few of those. Do you see the difference between those two? That's what they are. I love that she included these in here and not wasted space. And these are the half boxes. And you get the little ones with it. So again, and then you get full boxes that are scalloped. And then you get full boxes that are scalloped, that are lined. And they're the faint gray lines, which I really enjoy. And then you get my journaling boxes that I love. And yes, all of them are in black. Then the journaling boxes, they're lined. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then you have these, like I said, and then you get these sidebar boxes. If you guys hear my dog barking, that is Toa going crazy because I bought a car crate and he is like looking at it like, what is this now? So yes. Okay. And then these are the lined ones. So yeah, the page in the front was supposed to be in the back. So anyway, so this is what it looks like. It does have 20 pages. No, 30 sheets. So yeah, 30 sheets, 529 boxes. Super cool. Okay, let's do the Chic Christmas first. I think she changed her binding. Okay, so all of these are, yep, they're the perforated ones. So you can take out a page. So cutesy Christmas with the Santa Claus doodles. And again, this one is, I believe, 44 pages. Yes, 44 pages, 44 sheets. So Dear Santa, look how cute this one is. I actually do like this one a lot. This is cute too. I love cutesy doodles that are beautiful. So this is so cute. Like this will be a great spread. Look at the candy shop. Oh my gosh. Okay, and now this is super elegant with all the Christmas poinsettias. I'm actually drinking wine, you guys, so feel free to grab a drink as we're flipping through this. Okay. And now we have, oh my gosh, this will be a perfect spread. Stickers for like a Santa baby spread. Or It's Cold Outside spread. One of those. Little Christmas Village. Beautiful Christmas house, Santa. Oh my gosh, Marion Bright. Look at all of these. These are like very pastel-y and beautiful. So you guys, these books have a mix of paper and some clear ones. I think it's mostly paper though. But look at these. Like, super cute. These all match. And then you have these. Fa la la. Look at these. These are unclear. These are unclear. So a little bit more religious here with the Virgin Mary, the Three Kings, the little Bethlehem city. So, and then we're back to like a more of a cutesy, but then you have the dove. But look how cute. Yeah. Super, super cute doodles. And then you get a lot of quotes in here. Some of them are like, this one's obviously religious, but if you're not religious, then there's a lot of them that you can use anyway. Oh, I'm missing a sticker, you guys. Oh no, I'm missing 2 stickers. Okay, so I don't know what goes here, but I will definitely let them know that I'm missing a sticker. Okay, anyway, so this is the Christmas, Chic Christmas, and then we'll go from there. And then I have winter, hello winter, so we'll do that one. Look, the bucket list, so very similar to the fall one, and one is clear, one is paper. So this one was paper, this one's paper actually too. Okay, and then paper, and then clear. Then we have an ice skating day, which these stickers are also great for January if you want to start a new year and still do all the Christmas spreads in December and start this with more of a New Year vibe. You definitely could, at least the stickers we've seen so far. You guys, I have not flipped through this by myself. I wanted to wait for you guys. Look at this though. This is unclear. This is quite beautiful. And then we have these, and these could be realistically in any season. So don't limit yourself for winter. But obviously this one mostly is winter. Everything else could be anytime. So the little wolf and the fox are anytime. Then we have these blue florals that I really, really like. So again, anytime. And then you have this, which is clearly meant for winter. And again, can be anytime. It doesn't have to be Christmas. And look at these. Oh my gosh. I am loving this fresh mint color. And then look at those. Those are beautiful. Okay. A little bit more. These are super cute, like the bookcases. And look at these girls. Oh my gosh. I really do like having girls in my planner. And then we have Northern Lights, like a little snow city. Beautiful. And these flowers match so perfectly. I love pink and blue together. I know for a lot of people it means like boy girl, but I really love it. And then we have these girls with all the hot cocoa. Oh my gosh, look at this fox. I love this little doodle. And then we have Happy Hanukkah. So if you're not a Christmas person and you celebrate Hanukkah, that's great. Then we have New Year's. Look at that, 2024. Awesome, awesome. And then we have quite a few quotes, it seems like. So we have this, and then the same quote. So walking in a winter wonderland, winter, cold hands, warm heart, winter wishes. Life is better with snow, save water, drink cocoa, winter indifferent fun, snuggle up and watch it snow, let it snow, winter blessing, sweater weather, shake your flakes, winter let it snow, it's cold outside. And then you get boxes. Okay, that's cool. So lots of different blue boxes. You have navy, royal blue, and baby blue. Look at these. And then you get notes to do today, important goals, tasks. You get 6 checklists and some mini boxes, habit trackers, which are great. Then you get a green variety of the same. So look at these, and then you get the same things. And then you get a worm of like pink tones. So super cool book, you guys. This one's definitely worth it. There's so many stickers that I am just itching to start working on. I want to show you the last page though. The last page is the same. So, Hello Winter, Chic Christmas, and Scallop Baxes. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.